In this video, let us see how to create a burndown chart in Excel. What is burndown chart? A burndown chart is a visual representation of the amount of work remaining to perform versus the amount of time available. Now let us see how to create a burndown chart in Excel. First, let us create a table in the Excel like this. Let's assume that the sprint is of 2 weeks. I am preparing the table with first column for day, second column with dates, and third column planned tasks, and fourth column remaining tasks. And add the data like this. Consider that we have one task planned for each day, then we will be having the numbers in the planned task column like this 15, 14, 13 till 1 in the last cell. The remaining tasks column should be updated after each working day based on remaining tasks for the rest of the days of the sprint. Now say we are at the end of 5th day with 12 remaining tasks. As the data is ready, create the graph like this. Select the right 3 columns. Click on Insert Ribbon tab. Select the line chart icon from the drop-down menu. Choose a basic line chart. So this is the burndown chart now. The blue line is the ideal planned task line and the orange line is the actual work remaining line. So like this, you can use the burndown chart to control the amount of work remaining on an entire project. We have some limitations of using Excel for burndown charts, which are like time consuming, error prone, non-collaborative, no support for mobile devices. So it would be advisable to use a visual project management software that creates a burndown charts for you so you can focus on actual work. So in this way you can create a burndown chart in Excel for better project management. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.